Hello everyone, today I will be reviewing MelodySusie 3-in-1 nail drill with nail art lamp set. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So this is the box of MelodySusie 3-in-1 nail drill with nail art lamp set. It comes with the instruction manual, MelodySusie sticker, the charger adapter, and the USB charger. And it also comes with the sanding bands, the handpiece nail drill, and it is very lightweight. I can't wait to use it. It comes with the hand drill holder, and it comes with a USB control power supply. It comes with 6 different nail drill bits, and it also comes with the nail lamp. MelodySusie 2023 newest innovation design is the 3-in-1 nail art lamp. It comes with 2 modes that are available in LED light mode and the UV light mode. You can easily switch the lighting source with an easy one tap according to your mani and pedicure process needs. The UV light mode will switch into the LED light mode after the 60 seconds curing automatically. Adjustable gooseneck design brings the most flexibility for you to set the exact lighting direction. And the portable nail drill comes with 6 kinds of nail drill bits and speed adjustable from 0 to 20,000 RPM. This powerful e-file can be used for grinding, carving, cutting, polishing for acrylic nails, as well as the cuticle removal. USB interface design is easy for you to use individually by plugging into an adapter. This innovative 3-in-1 nail drill with a nail art lamp set will be a necessary nail art tool on your nail desk. It can assist you with all kinds of gel manicures and precise nail art needs by providing a high brightness work area, and can also cure base gel and nail glue, gel nail polish, top coat, and nail extension gel. So this is the LED light, and this one is the UV light, and then tap one more time and then you turn the light off. And it is rechargeable and cordless. This machine can run up to 4 hours of continuous cordless use, freedom to work in any place without the hassle cables, perfect for both nail salon at home and even travel use. So now I'm gonna try to use it. I'm gonna apply a nail extension on my nails. The LED light mode is a great tool for nail extension application, nail art painting, nail art decoration, and also applying rhinestone. And the UV light mode is good for curing nail tips, rhinestones, sculpture gel, gel polish, and many more. So it is really easy, and it is highly recommended because it is rechargeable, it is cordless, and it is space saving. So what are you waiting for? Check my link below down on my description box so you can check it out. And don't forget to use my code ROSE12 or ROSE12 to get 12% discount. Wow, it is really easy to use. It is more compact, more functional, and more efficient. It is space saving. It is good for professional, it is portable, and it has the unique design. So again, here's how to use the nail art lamp. Press the on and off button to turn on. Choose LED light mode for lighting. And choose UV light mode for curing. And here's how to use the nail drill. Insert the nail drill. Connect the power supply. Plug into the USB of the lamp. Change the rotation direction and then adjust the speed. Press the plus button if you want to increase the speed, and then you press the minus button if you want to decrease the speed. So I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out. And don't forget to use my code ROSE12 or ROSE12 to get 12% off when you shop at MelodySusie official shop. And that's it everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.